me get off the bike quickly and do the... Do it again! I like your jacket, Joe. Where did you get your jacket from?
Bike stop.
And what brand is your jacket, Joe?
Halvarssons.
It didn't come through on the audio. You got
Halvarssons!
Yeah, Joe liked my jacket and waited for me to get this new one and went and bought my old jacket. Halvarssons Racken jacket from Bike Stop.
It's bloody lovely.
It is bloody lovely. Good morning, everybody. No, evening. I keep saying morning and it's not morning. It's also afternoon where we are, so...
When we are, surely.
Shut up. We are on the monkey bikes, as you can quite clearly tell. We are in Leighton Bromswold? Never heard of it before. Joe and I were bored, so we're starting a new series called Let's Go and Find Some Food.
Because that's what we never do.
Yeah. No, what we're going to do is we are going to ride these little weapons all the way up to Melton Mowbray, which is probably not far from here because we've been riding for like 2 hours. But we're going to go up to Melton Mowbray, get ourselves a pork pie, because that's where pork pies were invented, probably.
Is it?
Yeah. Did you not know that?
No. Cool day.
The audio sort of cuts out because you're not talking loud enough for the cardio to pick up your voice. All I got from that last bit was just school day.
Day out with the nonces.
Shall I leave that bit in? Yeah, I'll probably leave that bit
You'll
in.
probably get away with that.
So yeah, we're in the lovely part of the country, and we're going to go and get a pork pie because that's what we're going to do. I think I think we should make this a series. Like we'll just ride somewhere to get.
I don't fancy doing Cornwall or something in a day. Because it might be a bit painful on these.
Do it in like 3 months.
Yeah,
we're just going to take 3 months to get down to Cornwall.
Does that mean we're going to have to go over to Wales to shag a sheep then?
Bruce is probably going to kick off because it's very similar to his series with lamb chops where they went for... He called it the Big Hunt or something like that.
Yeah.
Which was quite
Smart
funny.
man.
But they went looking for the best fish and chips in Cornwall and the best haggis in Scotland and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, but we're just going to the origins of a food, aren't we?
Yeah, so it's
So
nothing.
it's
It's completely different.
It's like trying to sue Taylor Swift because some of her songs sound like old songs.
I don't listen to Taylor Swift.
She currently got away with a lawsuit because she fought it because some of her songs sound like old songs. You're like, well, of course they do because there's only 12 notes in a...
This is a really boring segment, so I'm going to move on.
Should we get on the bikes and go?
Yeah, let's get on the bikes and go. So what we've done is we've come off the motorway. Yeah, we come off the motorway and we've come to the perfect road for these bikes. A single track lane that's super bumpy.
There's going to be quite a lot of mud and crap along these roads as well, because this is definitely farm tracking.
Just my type of road.
Someone from the IAMS department can tell us what we're doing wrong. I'd be greatly appreciative of it.
Isn't IAMS the cat food?
Why not? You're going to have to tell everyone that your speedo overreads massively because you're tired.
Because it looks like I'm doing 40 mile an hour and a 30.
Yeah.
But in actual fact, I'm doing 32 miles an hour. Ready for the fastest flyby you ever seen in your life. I just heard you bouncing off the limiter. Yeah, it's really humbling that my dash says 67 miles an hour and the GPS says 55.
Just a little out.
Yeah, just a tad. Allow me to slow down gently. I just saw a massive cloud of smoke come from your rear tyre.
Yeah, I'm slowing down.
Yeah, it's not my fault the bike doesn't have ABS.
I don't want to speed.
Oh, Unimog!
Yes!
Sick! I want one.
I love it.
Oh, I've got a little bit too fast, I'm going to have to slow down. I probably should check where you are behind me before I do
Yeah.
Oh, Jacati. Thank you. Oh, it's the boys. Don't you bellend. Is that a jump? Is that a jump? I got the front wheel off. No power. Should we go to France on these?
Mate, that means
Imagine trying to get up some of the hills.
yeah.
Some of those alpine passes on 9 horsepower.
They'd also hate how noisy they are.
Yeah. Wouldn't get pulled over for the Africa Twin or Sabre Adventure, but would get pulled over for the monkeys. I've got a new way of blurring my speedo. Just put my hand in front
Put
of
your
it.
hand over it.
Corby, this is lovely. Sorry everybody, sorry everybody. Sorry for the absolute horrendous racket that we're making. You're looking really good in your Halvarssons jacket and your RoadSkin jeans. Do you like mine
And
as
do you know
well?
what else I am? I'm comfortable and warm. And dry.
Yes, because it's not raining. No, please.
That was a bit tighter than I was expecting.
Yeah.
This is absolutely fantastic.
This is just, I was going to say, this is so good. Such a good little road. Left. Oh! Oh, I hope I got that on camera. I was looking down. Oh my god, that was nearly you off.
I'm
were
so
nearly a
glad I went for a
god.
piss earlier, because otherwise that would have come straight out.
Hold on a minute. I'm coming as well. I hope there's no cars around this corner. Really hope there's no cars around this corner.
He's gonna do another one. He's
Yes!
done them both.
Double overtake! Yes!
Honestly, Mabel, if you have £4,000 and you're looking to buy a bike as a second bike, honestly, go get one of these.
It is genuinely the funniest £4,000 I've ever spent.
Yeah, well, like almost every other bike is faster, but honestly, for something to make you smile or make you enjoy days like that, go get yourself a monkey bike. Oh, thank you, Honda, and your 2-year warranty.
Yeah. Oh, at least yours is serviced now. We were doing all of this before when your bike wasn't run in.
Yeah, but they
we're
said
going
it's all fine.
Yeah, mate! He's on a grom. Yes, mate. What other bike can you hit your rev limit in every single gear just for the fun of it?
One careful lady only.
Oh, is this a jump? This is a jump. This is definitely a jump. Oh, there's got to be another jump. It's got to be another jump. Oh my god! That was a proper little jump. Funny.
You see the couple on the left?
You just turn around, rubbernecking. You get fuel.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a new Monimoto, so I might have to buy it for no reason whatsoever.
How many have you got now?
3.
I'm already full.
6, please.
6, please. They're brilliant. They're loads of fun.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, we just come up from Stevenage.
From Stevenage. Well, bloody hell. Great bits of kit.
Cheers, mate. Bye, friend. That was £5 and 1p for premium.
Mine was £5.16.
Bit of a rip-off, if I'm honest, mate. Melton Mowbray. We're coming, pork pies.
What a little group we've had, eh?
Fucking maniac. Unfortunately for me, is I've got the actual readout of speed, so I can see that I'm currently cresting that hill at 39 mile an hour. Oh, is he gonna go for it? Is he gonna go for it?
Just makes no difference.
It's literally just noise. I saw you put your hand down. Elbow dropped to the floor and nothing happened.
Oh no, solid white line.
Yeah, at least you remembered this time.
Can't believe it. I've used £5 worth of fuel today. That's it.
Yeah. Taking 2 cars! Yes!
Behind you, you better move.
What's really cool is we're going to eat 1 pork pie and then have like 3 hours to ride back as well.
Oh yeah, we've got to get back, haven't we?
Leicestershire. I can't believe we've ridden to Leicester. In Leicestershire. Jesus, mate. Melton. No, I haven't got enough power.
It's so fucking stupid.
I'm still on the wrong side of the road. I'm still on the wrong side of the road. Come on, girl. Oh, look at this. There's a cathedral and everything. Right, here we go, everyone. Are we allowed up here? Pedestrian zone. No vehicles except for loading. What if we're technically loading? What if we're loading with pork pie? It says between 3 PM and 10 AM and it's 3 PM now.
Oh, right, sweet.
It's probably fine.
Where is it we're going?
Down there somewhere. Mate, it says this.
It's here.
It literally is there. Pork pie shop. Bell Centre. It says Bell Centre.
That's a smart little bike, isn't it?
Honestly, it's hilarious.
Right, everyone, we've got here and they're going through a refurb.
Well, you got a club or something in you, or what?
No, we're just 2 idiots. Yeah, sod it. We're just going to do this, people. Don't tell anyone. Well, there you go, everyone. That is the ye olde pork pie shop in Melton Mowbray. We've had 1 pork pie, and I've bought 3. So I've got a pickle topped pork pie because I quite like pickles. The original award-winning king size one, and a Dickinson's and Morris Melton Mowbray pork pie. That's massive as well. That's my hand. So we've just eaten one of them, one smaller one. I don't know how I'm going to get this home. I'm going to have to expand my tank bag, aren't I? Right. Monimoto. If I put one of those down the side, does that work? Funny. Oh, why did you have to expand your tank bag, Sam? Because you bought 3 pork pies, you fat fuck. Yeah, look at that. Loads of space. Joe's just come back on comms. I had to expand the tank bag because it wouldn't fit. Beautiful. Right, there you go, everybody. That was riding up to Melton Mowbray to get a pork pie for National Pie Week. We've only just found out it's actually National Pie Week, but that's what we're going to pretend we knew all the way along. I'll see you in next week's video. Goodbye.